All right, what do we do when we add or subtract fractions with unlike denominators? So if we look at this set of fractions, the denominators are 2 and 3. So what we have to do is we have to find the least common multiple of 2 and 3. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12. So the one that's in least is the 6 and the 6. We want both of those denominators to be 6. So we start by 1/2, and we want that denominator to be 6. We're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. And then plus the second fraction of 2/3. We want the denominator to be 6, so we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Now we go ahead and multiply across. So 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. So now our denominators are alike. So we can go ahead and add the numerators. So 1 plus 4 is 5. And then we keep the denominator. So now we have the steps to add polynomials. So when we do rational expressions by adding, we have to find what we did up above, that LCD, that least common denominator, which is the least common multiple of those denominators. So when you do this with rational expressions, you have to find the least common multiple by first factoring the polynomials completely, write any repeated factors, and then list the factors that have common factors, and we use the highest power. So let's go ahead and show you an example. So we have a polynomial of x squared plus 3x plus 4. Let's go ahead and factor it. So we have our diamond, -4 and +3. So then we look for what are the factors of -4 that add to +3, and that is +4 and -1. So that is the factor of x plus 4, x minus 1. The second one, again, we do the diamond. What are the factors of 2 that add to -3? And they are -2 and -1. So we factored as x minus 2, x minus 1. So now the least common multiple, what's in common? They both have an x minus 1. So that's our first factor. And then they have an x minus 4 and an x minus 2.